What up, Airborne fam? Second bass of the season, baby. Actually, technically it's the third. Let's get it. About maybe pound and a half, 2 pounds. Let's go. Adios, amigo. What up, Airborne fam? We on a roll tonight, baby. Rock bass number 1. Love those red colored eyes. They make them look so cool. But anyway, can't wait to come back with more, guys. Stay tuned, y'all. All the way, baby. Adios. What it do, Airborne fam? Number 3, baby. Let's go. Get it, bud. He's happy too. Let's get it. Number 3. All the way, guys. Adios.